Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful tool inside Amazon Seller Central, the Product Opportunity Explorer. This tool helps you uncover high-demand product opportunities and gives you key insights to grow your business. Let's get started. First, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. From your dashboard, head over to the Growth tab in the top menu. Here, you'll see the Product Opportunity Explorer tool. Click on it to get started. Now you're inside the Product Opportunity Explorer. Just click here and choose the country where you want to explore product opportunities. This is super helpful if you're selling internationally or want to target different markets. This tool is designed to help sellers identify new product opportunities by providing insights on customer demand, market trends, and potential product niches. You'll find data like search volume, top-performing products. All right, let's click on this product and take a closer look at the data available. Here you can see important details like search volume, units sold, average selling price, returns rate, etc. This is extremely important data that can directly influence your sales. One key aspect here is the purchase driver data. Under this section, you'll see specific features and their corresponding percentage, essentially showing what factors are leading to a positive impact on a unit sales. Clicking on a search term, you'll see a detailed list of search terms related to this product. For each term, you can view important data like search volume, growth percentage, sales conversions, and top leading ASINs. Let's click on the Returns tab now. Here you'll find a list of the most common reasons customers are returning products in this niche. These reasons are pulled directly from customer feedback over the past 6 months. Now, let's check out the Products tab. By clicking here, you'll find a list of the top-selling products in this niche. By analyzing the top sellers, you can get insights into what's working in this niche, helping you improve your product offerings or find gaps in the market. To explore a specific product opportunity, simply enter a keyword, product category, or ASIN that you're interested in. For example, if you're researching in the beauty category, you could type in something like blender sponge. Once you've entered the term, the tool will pull up valuable data. Let me correct the spelling real quick. Yeah, now it will work perfectly. This tool will pull up valuable data such as top search terms, the most popular keywords customers are using, growth, how quickly interest in the product is increasing, units sold, the number of units sold within a specific time frame, return rate, the percentage of customers returning the product, average price. You can also switch to the ASIN view. Here, you'll see a list of products related to the ASIN you're researching. Along with their corresponding data, use this feature to identify potential competitors and evaluate how your product might stack up against others in the same category. Let's head back to the homepage of the tool. If you prefer to explore Amazon suggested products, you can simply analyze the recommended opportunities right here. These suggestions are based on current market trends and customer behavior, making them a great starting point if you're not sure which product to research first. And that's how you can use the Product Opportunity Explorer in Amazon Seller Central to discover new products and grow your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for more Amazon seller tips and strategies.